Are you dreaming of living and working legally in Germany as a freelancer? Today, I'm not only breaking down the basic steps to get the freelancer visa, but I'll also share advanced tips like how blocked accounts work, the most common mistakes to avoid, and how to prepare for your application process like a pro. Stick around till the end for all the insider tricks. What is the freelancer visa and how does it work? Germany offers the freelancer visa, also known as the Freiberufler Visa. This visa is ideal for digital nomads working independently in professions like graphic design, programming, writing, consulting, and more. What makes this visa unique is that it allows you to legally live in Germany, invoice international clients, and enjoy all the benefits of living in one of Europe's most dynamic countries. Plus, it's renewable, and if you decide to stay long-term, it can lead to permanent residency. Key requirements and blocked accounts. Now let's dive deeper into the requirements for this visa. 1. Proof of stable income. You need to show that you have sufficient funds to support yourself in Germany. The recommended minimum is €9,000 per year. What is a blocked account, Sparkonto? A blocked account is a special bank account where you deposit a fixed amount in advance to prove your financial stability. How does it work? You deposit between €10,332 and €11,904, approximately €850,992 per month. This money is locked, but you can withdraw a set monthly amount for your living expenses. Pro tip: use providers like Fintiva or Expatrio to open a blocked account online. They simplify the process and offer support in English. 2. Health insurance. Having valid health insurance is mandatory in Germany. You can choose international private insurance or opt for public German insurance. Pro tip: providers like Mowista or Feather offer affordable plans designed for freelancers and expats. 3. Proof of residence. You'll need a rental agreement or confirmation of accommodation. Pro tip: start with an Airbnb reservation, then transition to a long-term lease. 4. Professional documentation. Letters of intent from clients, portfolio of past projects, work contracts with clear income details. 5. Financial plan. Beyond the blocked account, prepare a detailed budget showing how you'll cover monthly expenses. 6. Criminal background check. A clean criminal record is essential for your application. Step-by-step application process. The application process can seem overwhelming, but here's a clear step-by-step guide. Gather your documents: valid passport, client contracts and income proof. Blocked account recommended. Health insurance confirmation. 2. Complete the application form. This form is available at the German consulate or online. 3. Book your appointment at the consulate. Schedule your visa interview at your nearest German embassy. 4. Attend your interview. Clearly explain your freelance work and why Germany is the ideal place for your activities. Pro tip: bring specific examples of your work, such as recent income reports or printed portfolios. 5. Pay the visa fee. The visa fee is typically €60 depending on the consulate. 6. Wait for approval. Processing times can range from 4 to 12 weeks, so plan ahead. 7. Register your address. Once you arrive in Germany, register at the local Einwohnermeldeamt within 14 days. Let's talk about some common mistakes applicants make when applying for the freelancer visa in Germany and how to avoid them. Ensure your financial documentation is clear and up to date, as insufficient proof of income is a major red flag. Don't forget to register your address in Germany within 14 days of arrival. Failing to do so can result in penalties. Additionally, if you're earning income in Germany, you may need to register as a freelancer for tax purposes. To manage taxes efficiently, apps like Sorted or Contest can help. Finally, avoid underestimating the processing time for your visa application. Start early to ensure everything goes smoothly and to avoid unnecessary delays. If you have any questions or need professional assistance, don't hesitate to reach out. We're here to guide you through every step of the process and ensure your application is successful. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and leave your questions in the comments below. See you in the next video, where we'll explore even more ways to enhance your global mobility and professional freedom.